Hello, my name is Marquita Joel from thisisenglish.org. How's everything with your goal of learning English? This year will be the year that you master English. Welcome to day 4 of the Secrets of Learning English in 2024. Stay until the end of the video because I will explain today's vocabulary to you. Secret number 4. You don't need to speak perfectly for people to understand you. Many students believe that they need to speak perfect English in order for other people to understand them. However, this is not true. When you have the main words, most people can still understand you. Most times it is your pronunciation and intonation that can make a huge difference. For example, if I say phone dead and make a hand motion, people will understand that to mean my phone is dead, I need a charger please. However, if you say pahone deed, people may not understand you. This may cause confusion. It is not because you are not using the right words, but because you are saying them incorrectly. Here is another example. I was teaching vocabulary to my beginner students and asked, "What's this?" One of my students said, "Tu paste." Luckily, because I was the teacher, I understood that she meant toothpaste. But if she asked for tu paste in the store, they would not know this word. Remember, you do not need to have perfect grammar. Knowing the right words to use is just as important as the way you pronounce the words and the intonation you use. Most times, as long as you say the words correctly, people can figure out your meaning. Now for today's vocabulary. How's everything with your goal of learning English? How's everything is another way we can ask how you are. Intonation means the way your voice rises and falls when you say words or sentences. For example, when we ask yes or no questions in English, our intonation goes up. Are you studying English right now? But for other questions, our intonation goes down. When are you studying English? Figure it out is a separable phrase verb, meaning that it can be separated with the object in the middle of the two verbs in the phrasal verb. Figure it out means to guess, to think about the meaning of what someone is saying. You can figure out what someone means, or you can figure out a problem. Try this secret, then write in the comments whether or not this secret worked for you. Don't worry about using perfect grammar. Just write your answer in the comments, or if you are feeling really brave, stitch this video telling me if this worked for you. Remember that the best way to Learn English is in community. Join our thisisenglish.org Facebook group community. You only need $5 and a Facebook account. You only have until January 15th to join. Visit thisisenglish.org for more information. And remember, you can and you will learn English. I'll see you soon. Bye.